Hello everyone again, it's Stephen here from the Non-League Radio Show and my third installment so far of box opening. I've seen this one online quite a few times. Yes, it's 2021, but there's a shed load of cards in, and I was enjoying watching people open these. Again, baseball isn't my strong subject, soccer is, but interesting, you get one autograph or relic card in every box. I've seen a lot of people pulling them, especially across the pond. Obviously wanting the autographs rather than the relic cards. I think for the start off, I'd be happy for either for the collection. But if I hit an autograph, even better. Now this is going to take some time because it's obviously quite a few cards. I've never opened one of these boxes before. So let's see. Yeah, I've seen people have a poster in, which we have. Let's see who the posters have. I actually opened it. Xander Bogaerts. See that way or that way, whichever best. So fold that up, put him safe over there. So got a big box here. Lots of cards. I like this. You can see them. Put them right away at the bottom. If anybody knows some good places in the UK to get these cards, I order these. I can't order these from the States. Wait for them to get shipped off. So there's 9 cards in each pack. Anything else we're looking for while we're looking here? Packs of the special insert may contain only 5 to 8 cards. Right, we'll just go for it. See if we can get who's going to be our autograph or our relic card. I said at the beginning, baseball isn't my strongest subject. So if I miss anything, please comment or get in touch at Non-League Radio. Just go through these. I'm not going to name all the names like we've done in the other videos. Let's see. I don't know if these are probably performers in a separate pile. Topps All-Star Rookies. But I know from watching videos, there's some short print numbers from 701 to 725, so I'll do this as I go. There them are. I'll put them down first and I'll have a look at the numbers quickly on each turn. I don't want to be on edges with each one because we'll be here all night. Get them through the way up. Yeah. I'd say that the cards I put to one side probably don't mean anything. Check numbers. 716. So George Springer is a short print. And we'll go. lots of base cards here. Short prints there. If anybody's needing any of the base cards to finish a set, just get in touch. Cement there, 3,000. Let's put that there. Again, more because I'm not sure. Any more short prints? No. So we'll push on. This card felt a bit thicker, but maybe just me. So we'll start being over there. Short print, Fial Marchand. This will be quite a long video, that's why I'm racing through. Yeah, so the short print numbers are looking for 701 to 725, I believe. I said that like I know what I'm talking about, but I've seen somebody else posting it when they were doing the cards. Second pile. Not much so far. There's another 3,000. And 12. So we have Walter Buehler. And sorry for the pronunciation. And the short print. If you want to subscribe, please do so. At the bottom, we do lots of non-league soccer here in the UK, do interviews with local clubs. If that interests you, this is a bit of a sideline, just a little hobby I've got, collect cards. So if you're interested, please subscribe and listen to the shows as well. And that one, so we're still waiting for either an autograph or a relic. It's a base, loads of base cards. Let's check for the short prints. card we're looking for. The card with the relic will be right at the bottom of that one probably. So we'll just check again for short print 722. Mike Clevenger, that's how you pronounce it. So if you've got any suggestions for cards for us to try and get my hands on here in the UK, what you'd like to see is 1972 World Series, Joe Morgan, 2 hits in 1 game. That's different to what I've got. There's a number of them. Sean Murphy, All-Star Rookie. For short prints. And if you could just get them in there in the end. So, still looking for a relic or autograph. Jared Kalanick, I've seen this lad getting mentioned quite a bit, so I'll put him there when I've been watching videos. Like I said, apologies for my knowledge of baseball. It's poor, but I've seen that guy getting mentioned quite a bit. If I missed anybody who I should have put in this pile, drop something in the comments. I've got some more packs ordered on the way, so we'll be drawing some more shortly. I need to try some other sports out, American sports, basketball and things, so short print there. There's another one. Velcro. Start the second pile of them. I'll tip everything over. Right old mess over there. Never mind. The other thing I have to look for, which I forgot, there's a mark in here, which if it's like an action card, so I'll go back through and make sure I haven't missed anything. Obviously I won't do it on this video, I will be here all night. Right, into the last row, still awaiting our relic or autograph. Golf Grand Slam, it's a different card. So we'll put that there. Just move ourselves along a little bit. Still looking for short printed cards, so 701 to 725. Nothing there. Castillo. So that is a 274 to 999. So that's the first numbered card we have tonight. Very good. And 709 on the short print. We have Lance Lynn. still going. We are still. Feel free to like and subscribe as always if you want to get involved. Get in touch if you've got a lower league soccer team that you go and watch in the States. Maybe just give them an interview on the show as well. Well, that's 4 packs, yeah. That would be the last pack. New friends. Cool. So I haven't forgot to put in short print again. Christian Araro. Oh, we have a signed card, Miguel Cabrera. So that is our card of the pack, Miguel Cabrera. Born in 83. Tigers designated hitter, so we will put that in our pack. Insert here as well. So that is my first signed card, and hopefully not my last. I have to do a bit of research on this guy because I said my baseball knowledge is absolutely rubbish. So that's the first signed card, and like I say, hopefully not the last. Wasn't turned back to front or anything, so I'm pleased I've seen it. So we get back to the cards. See, we're getting 700, so nearly a short print. So we probably won't get anything else. On the last pack, thanks for sticking this far. Took the third last pack to get the signature, but hopefully it's worth the wait. Last short print possibly of the night. And the Dodgers, Tony Conway. Another 700 there. That's it, spot on. So thank you very much for tuning in. If any of these are of interest, obviously I've got the sign. If anyone can tell us a bit more about this guy, that'd be great. I want to do a bit of research myself. If you want to at the bottom here. Subscribe, like, comment, tell us any boxes you'd like us open, see if I can get my hands on them, and I'll be back soon.